In today's video, I will walk you through how to find new cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. To find newly added cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap, start by going to the cryptocurrency section. From here, look for the option called Recently Added. Select Recently Added to view a list of tokens that have been added recently to CoinMarketCap. You will see different cryptocurrencies along with the time they were added. You can scroll through the list to check recently added tokens from the last few hours or days. For each token, you can view important information such as blockchain details, trading volume, fully diluted market capitalization, recent growth, and the current price. To check a specific token, select it from the recently added list. The cryptocurrency page will open, where you can review the token details and price movement. You can view the price changes over different time periods, including recent performance and longer trends. The chart will show how the token price has moved since it was added. You can review the volume and price changes to see how the cryptocurrency has developed over time. To view more information about the project, scroll down on the cryptocurrency page. Here you can find additional details about the token, including where the cryptocurrency can be purchased. If you want to check where the token is available, review the listed exchanges and available trading options. You can use the recently added section in CoinMarketCap to find new cryptocurrencies and review their available information. This allows you to check newly listed tokens, view their market data, and explore their details directly through CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.